Eventually, you've trimmed so much away that the new life looks exactly like the old one. Welcome to the Sovereign Reign. I'm Ladella Larena Robles. Whether you're watching this on YouTube or listening on your favorite podcast app, I'm glad you're here. Let's get right into it. Have you ever wondered why you can hold on to something, be so consistent for a week or two, but then it seems like you can't hold on to it? Like that version of you that did it just went away? Let me talk to you about something. I want to talk to that person. You think you're finally moving at the pace you know, a pace you're capable of. You're waking on time. You're handling the business. You're making the calls. Everything is finally clicking into place. And you're actually doing it. You're in it. It's happening. You feel aligned. You feel clear. You feel like you finally found the rhythm. And then it just drifts. It quietly goes back to how it was before. You look up a few weeks later, a few months later, and you're right back at the same starting line you thought you had already left behind. People usually call that being inconsistent. They think they lost the spark or they just didn't want it enough. But I want to tell you, I want to offer you something else to think about. People aren't inconsistent. They are very consistent with what feels normal to them. When you have those bursts of momentum, you're actually reaching for a level of execution that your system hasn't authorized yet. Think about your life like a frame. Everything inside that frame, your habits, your income, your energy, is what your system has decided is safe. And you step outside of it for a few days, a few months. You can run on pure effort. You can stretch the boundaries. You can feel that newness of energy of that progress. But because that frame itself stayed exactly where it was, your system starts to feel the tension. It starts to feel the unnormal. It's like trying to put a new, larger painting into a small, old frame. You have to trim the edges of the painting just to make it fit. Eventually, you've trimmed so much away that the new life looks exactly like the old one. And you see this happen everywhere. Think about the person who finally gets the big client. They feel the newness of it, the excitement, the energy. They see the opportunity to scale. But then a month later, they're struggling with the same old distractions. They reset to the old level of stress because that's what the boundaries were built for. You see it in your mornings. You do the routine for a week because it's a project. You feel the clarity of the early start. But once the project ends, the old normal is waiting right there for you. You aren't failing. You're just returning to the structure you've already built. We keep trying to fix ourselves on the surface, a new planner, a new routine, a new promise, but we keep circling the same starting line because we're focusing on movement instead of the floor we're standing on. We have to stop trimming the progress and start expanding the boundaries of what we're allowed to keep. The goal isn't a peak experience that fades on Tuesday. It's shifting the floor you stand on so that new level of execution becomes your new normal. When the frame changes, the momentum doesn't have to be forced. It just has a place to live. Things that used to feel like a fight to start just feels neutral. You don't need a push. You don't need a speech. You just move because your normal has shifted. It's about understanding what's already been deciding. Change doesn't disappear. Momentum fades and resets to normal when your life frame hasn't changed. You may have a problem. You may feel a certain way. I can tell you why it's happening, how to fix it, and how to keep it that way. I'm Ladella Robles. Let's go to work.